Today, we delve into the world of ultimate luxury as we unbox the limited edition. Our journey begins with a brand that's synonymous with opulence, a name that echoes in the halls of extravagance. The story of is a tale of audacious dreams, meticulous craftsmanship, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. The inception of dates back to the early 20th century, a period ripe with ingenuity and innovation. It was born out of a desire to create something that was not merely a product, but a symbol of sophistication and elegance. With time, evolved, but its core principles remained unaltered. The brand's commitment to quality and exclusivity was, and still is, unwavering. Each piece conceived at S Atelier is a testament to this commitment, an embodiment of the brand's passion for perfection. Over the years, has graced the world with iconic products that have not only set the bar in the luxury market, but have also redefined it. These creations are not just products, they are experiences, a celebration of the finer things in life. They are a reflection of his dedication to creating the extraordinary, the unparalleled, the ultimate luxury. Every material chosen, every stitch made, every detail considered, is done so with an obsessive attention to detail. This meticulousness, this reverence for craftsmanship is what sets apart. It is what transforms each of their creations into a masterpiece, a work of art that is as unique as it is exquisite. The influence on the luxury market is undeniable. It has not only shaped the industry, but also set the standards of what luxury should be. It has shown the world that luxury is not just about material wealth, but about the experience, the emotion, the story. Now let's venture into the present and unveil the limited edition, a testament to the brand's legacy of luxury. The excitement begins the moment the delivery arrives. Picture a package, seemingly ordinary, yet within its simplicity, a promise of grandeur. The exterior packaging is meticulously crafted, displaying an undeniable touch of elegance. It's not just a box, it's a testament to his dedication to quality and design. The box, made from high-grade sustainable materials, is a work of art in itself. Its smooth surface, the soft touch, the subtle sheen, all attest to the luxury that is. The emblem, embossed with precision, whispers the brand's name, creating an air of anticipation that sends a thrill down your spine. It's not just about receiving a package, it's the anticipation, the thrill of the unknown, the promise of elegance and luxury that comes with every parcel from. The palpable excitement is part of the experience, a prelude to the grand revelation. The exterior is just a taste of the luxury that lies within. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the unboxing. Indeed, the act of unveiling is no less a performance than the grandest of stage shows. The first step is removing the outer packaging. It's not just a plain brown box, oh no. It's a canvas of anticipation, a promise of the extraordinary tucked inside. The weight of it is reassuring, hinting at the substantial elegance that lies within. As the outer layer is peeled away, the product box is revealed. It's a marvel of design, exuding a quiet confidence. The box, a work of art in itself, is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. The high-quality, textured surface, the embossed logo, the subtle yet powerful color palette, all whisper the promise of the exquisiteness nestled within. The lid is lifted with a satisfying weight, and the room seems to hold its breath. There's a palpable sense of suspense, a shared anticipation that heightens the experience. As the lid comes off, the first sight of the product is like the opening scene of a highly anticipated play. There's a moment of collective awe as we take in the spectacle before us. The product, cocooned in a plush, velvet-lined cavity, is nestled like a gem in a jewel box. It's a sight of pure opulence, a symbol of the brand's meticulous attention to detail, and their relentless pursuit of perfection. Every element of the presentation is a testament to the brand's dedication to creating a product that is not just a commodity, but an experience. The unveiling, the final reveal, is like a curtain call, a standing ovation for the craftsmanship and the painstaking attention to detail that has gone into creating this masterpiece. It's a sensory delight, a visual feast, and a testament to the brand's commitment to creating not just a product, but a legacy. And there it is, the limited edition, a sight to behold. Now that we've revealed the limited edition, let's take a closer look. Immerse yourself into a world of exquisite design and superior craftsmanship. The limited edition exudes an air of sophistication that is simply unparalleled. The sleek lines and the subtle curves of the product are a testament to the meticulous attention to detail that went into its creation. It's a symphony of design elements that come together to form a cohesive whole, a testament to the artistry of the creators. The materials used in the construction of the limited edition are nothing short of the finest. The product feels substantial in your hands, not overly heavy, but with a pleasing heft that speaks to its quality. The cool touch of the metal, the supple leather, the intricate engravings. Each element is an ode to luxury, a tribute to the finer things in life. The craftsmanship that went into the limited edition is evident in every inch of the product. The stitching is precise, the assembly seamless. This isn't a product that was merely manufactured, it was crafted lovingly and painstakingly by artisans who are masters of their trade. Every component, every detail, has been thoughtfully considered and flawlessly executed. And then there are the unique elements that set the limited edition apart from other products. The signature emblem, the custom engraving, the limited edition number. These are the details that make it truly special. They are the marks of exclusivity, the signs that you are in possession of something truly exceptional. Finally, let's not forget the sensory experience. The limited edition is more than just a visual feast. The smooth texture, the balanced weight, the faint scent of leather, these are all part of the experience. They draw you in, making you a part of the limited edition's world, a world of elegance and refinement. The limited edition is indeed a masterpiece of luxury. The limited edition is more than just a product, it's an experience. Reflecting on our journey today, we've witnessed the unveiling of pure elegance. We've traced our fingers over the exquisite craftsmanship, savored the unique features that set it apart, and marveled at the attention to detail that makes it a true collector's piece. Owning such a piece of luxury is not just about possession. It's about appreciating the artistry and the passion poured into each creation. It's about the pride of being part of a select group who understands and values the finer things in life. This isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in an experience, a statement of taste, and a celebration of the very essence of luxury. And there we have it, the limited edition, a testament to the timeless allure of true luxury. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.